everyone! Today I'm showing you exactly how to make sushi in Roblox Grow a Garden, step by step, so you can cook it like a pro and earn big profits. First, you'll need 1 corn and 4 bamboo, at least common rarity. You can grow these in your garden or trade for them with other players. Using higher rarity ingredients will give you more value and sometimes bonus effects, so always use your best crops for cooking. Okay, so once you've collected your corn and 4 bamboo, head over to the kitchen and drop the ingredients in. Then, just hit cook and wait for it to finish. You'll see the cooking time right above. And while you're waiting, you can totally start planting some new crops to keep things going. Once it's done, go ahead and grab your sushi. You can sell it at the stand for some quick cash, or you can trade it for a special reward, just like I'm about to do right now. And that's it! That's how you make sushi and grow a garden. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and comment what recipe I should cover next.